Welcome to Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, where luxury is not manufactured, it is crafted.
Every Rolls-Royce begins long before a car takes shape.
It begins with the purest materials, sourced, inspected, and perfected. Nothing enters this factory without absolute scrutiny. Here, raw elements are transformed under controlled fire. Temperature, timing, and purity measured to perfection. Even the smallest symbol demands the greatest care. Patience is part of the process.
This is not decoration. It is an identity.
Every piece begins imperfect by design. Because perfection is earned, never assumed. Guided by human hands, not machines.
Every curve tells a story of restraint and control.
The skeleton of a Rolls-Royce begins here, in absolute precision.
Every joint, every weld is exacting artistry in motion.
Machines perform precision, but human hands perfect the details.
Observation is as important as execution. Here, every step is deliberate.
Each panel is measured, fitted, and inspected. Nothing is left to chance.
The dance between man and machine defines the Rolls-Royce ethos. Perfection is not an accident. It is a continuous pursuit.
The chassis is no longer a skeleton. It is becoming a living form.
Every surface is scrutinized until it reflects our vision of perfection.
From raw aluminum emerges a foundation worthy of Rolls-Royce heritage.
Here, the magic begins. Pigments and gold dust blend to form a coat like no other.
Every stroke is automated, yet monitored with human precision.
Luxury is in the details. Every particle counts. Science and art converge to protect and perfect the finish.
Time and temperature transform the surface into its luminous glory.
Every layer is a canvas awaiting the human touch.
Even in a world of robotics, finesse is handcrafted.
Luxury is measured not by price, but by presence.
Patience, skill, and light combine to create perfection.
Every curve tells a story. Every reflection, a testament to craft.
Perfection demands attention from every angle.
Inspection is relentless. The eye of the craftsman is unyielding.
Even machines pause to let human perfection shine.
Because true luxury is in the subtle touch.
Every reflection tells the story of dedication.
The golden canvas is complete, ready for the soul of the car.
No detail is too small. Every imperfection is corrected.
Polished to perfection, every curve embodies dedication.
The culmination of science, craft, and human touch.
Every reflection, every line, a signature of Rolls-Royce excellence.
With paint perfected, the body is ready to embrace its heart, the engine.
The heart of every Rolls-Royce is a V12 masterpiece, built by hand, layer by layer.
Every component is handled with care. Even the smallest piece commands respect. Torque measured to perfection. Every turn matters.
Here, expertise meets patience. Every movement is deliberate. Integration is a ballet. Every part knows its place. Even a single misaligned bolt is unacceptable.
From raw components emerges the soul of the car.
Every lift, every placement, a moment of trust and precision.
The marriage of chassis and engine, where art meets engineering.
Every connection is checked, every system harmonized.
Precision is measured. Perfection is felt.
The heart is complete, ready to awaken beneath the golden body. From individual precision comes unified power.
Every element contributes to the harmony of performance.
Here lies the heartbeat of a legend. Hand-built, hand-finished.
With the heart installed, attention turns to the soul, the cabin.
Every interior component awaits the touch of mastery.
The cabin begins with the finest leather, inspected for flawlessness.
Precision begins even before the first stitch.
Every seam is hand-placed, each stitch a mark of dedication.
Interior elements are curated, every material harmonized.
The cockpit is assembled with the same precision as the heart of the car.
Every seat is a throne, each panel a work of art.
Even the smallest surface commands attention. Inspection is relentless. Perfection is non-negotiable.
The Starlight headliner, a universe within the cabin. Each point of light is individually inspected, perfection in miniature.
Every detail, every control, crafted for elegance and function. Hand finished, because machines cannot feel perfection.
The cabin now lives, a blend of luxury and craftsmanship.
Every feature reflects our dedication to excellence.
The interior is now ready to welcome its passenger in unrivaled luxury.
Luxury is not seen, it is felt in every touch.
Every passenger experiences the culmination of decades of craftsmanship.
Inspection is ongoing. Perfection leaves no margin for error.
The final touches, where human eyes ensure excellence.
The soul of the car, now ready for its final adornments.
Every Rolls-Royce requires a crowning jewel, the spirit of ecstasy.
The Coachline is hand-painted, every stroke precise, every line deliberate.
Luxury is revealed in subtle perfection.
Even the smallest details are executed flawlessly.
With every detail complete, the Rolls-Royce is ready for its first test.
Performance is tested rigorously, every movement scrutinized.
Even in motion, perfection cannot falter.
Every seal is tested, every panel verified.
Isolation from the outside, perfection inside.
Silence is luxury, and this car delivers it flawlessly.
The final journey, ensuring both elegance and engineering.
Every mile confirms the harmony of craftsmanship and performance.
Every system is verified, every standard exceeded.
Before leaving these walls, every detail is approved.
Luxury is engineered, tested, and verified without compromise.
Final inspection complete, ready cheap, ready to meet its owner.
The journey from factory to driveway begins. Every car carries not just craftsmanship, but legacy.
The culmination of months of artistry, now ready to be delivered.
From raw materials to perfection, your Rolls-Royce awaits. After months of meticulous craft, the Rolls-Royce is ready to enter its new home. Every detail perfected, every element harmonized.
Luxury is not just seen, it is experienced.
And now, the keys to perfection are yours. This is more than a car. It is a masterpiece.
A symbol of elegance, crafted to perfection.